Today we're looking at the Exceed RC 1/10 scale ready to run rock crawler. Comes in two sizes, 1/16 and 1/10 scale. Is a four-wheel drive dedicated rock crawler. Has huge 4 3/4 by 1 3/4 high traction tires. Has an aluminum frame, suspension axle lines, and steering tie bars. Has spring-filled oil shocks. Ball bearings on all 4 wheels. Right and front drive shafts with U-joint. It's powered by a powerful RC 550. 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel pistol grip radio. The throttle and steering has reverse switches, dual rates, trim, and exponential functions. Speeds up to 15 miles an hour depending on setting. Included in the package is a 7.2 volt 2000 milliamp nickel hydride battery and charger. Also support the use of LiPo batteries for those drivers using LiPos. NitroRCX.com carries a full line of spare parts to keep you in the action. Thanks for watching.